Imagine traveling back in time. 541 million years into the past. A world with no animals walking on land. No forests. No birds. No whales. No humans. Just silent oceans, and a planet waiting for something extraordinary to happen. Welcome to the Cambrian Period, the dawn of complex life. For billions of years, life on Earth was incredibly simple. Bacteria, algae, sponge-like creatures. No eyes. No shells. No predators. Life moved slowly, almost unnoticeably. If you lived back then, you could watch the ocean for 100 years and barely see anything happen. But this calm was only the silence before the storm. Around 541 million years ago, something changed. In only 20 to 30 million years, a blink in geological time, an enormous variety of animals suddenly appeared. Almost every major animal group on Earth today traces its origins back to this moment. Scientists call it the Cambrian Explosion. And it truly was an explosion of life.
Fueled by geothermal energy, these vents became the cradle of life on the early Earth, sheltered from the harsh surface world above.
The Cambrian oceans were nothing like the seas we know today. The water was cloudy, rich in minerals, and often dimly lit. And the creatures living in these waters, they were unlike anything that exists now. As if nature was experimenting with every possible body shape. Anomalocaris grew up to 1 meter long, a giant for its time. With blade-like arms, a donut-shaped mouth, and compound eyes with over 16.000 lenses. It was the first true super predator on Earth. Its arrival triggered one of evolution's earliest arms races.
Bathed in the deep to outer light.
Trilobites were incredibly successful. They had hard protective shells, complex compound eyes, the ability to mold and grow. Trilobites dominated for more than 250 million years, longer than the dinosaurs.
We are witnessing the arduous process of ecdysis, or molting. The Olanellus must shed its restrictive
This is Hallucigenia sparsa, a bizarre and enigmatic creature from the Cambrian Deep.
Hallucigenia was so strange that scientists originally reconstructed it upside down. They thought its spines were legs, and its legs were tentacles. Its bizarre design shows how wildly experimental evolution was during this time. Opabinia looked like it came from another world. 5 eyes clustered on its head, and a proboscis used like a grabbing arm. It represents just how unusual Cambrian life forms truly were. Small and delicate, Marea had dozens of tiny limbs, moving through the water like a graceful dancer. It is considered one of the earliest relatives of modern arthropods, the group that would later give rise to insects, crabs, and spiders. To survive predators like Anomalocaris, Wiwaxia evolved a body covered with scales and sharp spines. It is one of the earliest examples of armor in the history of life.
The Wiwaxia, a bizarre armored slug, slowly glides across.
Pikaia was only a few centimeters long, but it possessed something revolutionary: a notochord, the earliest form of a backbone. From this humble creature came all vertebrates: fish, reptiles, birds, mammals, and eventually humans. If Pikaia had gone extinct, we might not be here today. With predators now roaming the seas, evolution entered a new phase. Creatures began developing speed, armor, spikes, better vision, burrowing behaviors. For the first time, life truly had to fight to survive. The Cambrian was harsh, but it pushed evolution to innovate faster than ever before. Why did the Cambrian Explosion happen? One, rising oxygen levels. More oxygen meant larger bodies and faster metabolisms. 2. The evolution of vision. Once animals could see, hunting and hiding became crucial. 3. Mineral-rich oceans allowed shells, armor, and exoskeletons to develop. 4. Development of Hox genes. These body pattern genes allowed rapid creation of new forms. 5. Ecological competition. Survival pressures forced species to evolve, or die. Almost every major animal group today has roots in the Cambrian. Vertebrates, arthropods, mollusks, worms, all trace their origins to this explosion of creativity. The Cambrian was the sunrise of complex life. Without it, Earth might still be a planet of microbes.
Is that a real fossil from the Cambrian era?
Even today, the Cambrian remains full of secrets. Why did life diversify so quickly? Why did so many bizarre species vanish? And could something like the Cambrian Explosion happen elsewhere in the universe? The Cambrian period wasn't just another chapter. It was the first great revolution of life. A moment that shaped the entire future of our planet. If you enjoyed this journey into Earth's ancient past, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories of life on Earth.